Black.
Ba't ang ingay nyo? Ano bang ginagawa mo?
Brown.
Totoo? Totoo? Ilang percent?
Ano, nasa 80?
Kali. Tahan. Kali. Tahan. What are you doing? You're preparing cook.
Stika. How much percent?
She told me she's very beautiful.
Very? Not very. Not very.
How many percent?
Sadab.
She's beautiful.
But
How many
go
percent?
80%.
How many
Eight.
percent?
How many percent?
Look at me.
100% Habibti.
99%. That pay 1%.
Huh?
1% beautiful.
Inti.
Ay.
Yourself.
Honey, 100. No beautiful. I'm not beautiful.
Ano ba sabi
Ani, zero beauty. Ani, zero beauty. Zero beautiful? Zero beautiful. Not beautiful.
Nalimpit ko talaga inaano eh.
Why is learning? Oh, kalma. 99% beautiful. 1% no, because she don't have good teeth.
Ew.
Yeah. Seriously. Like, because she don't have good teeth.
That's a braces.
Also, lovely, beautiful, 98%. Because she don't have. Also, she don't have good teeth.
This is original.
Because I have good teeth, but my face not good. See.
Huh?
I have good teeth, but my face not good.
Huh?
You have. You have.
Nagtalo po sila dahil sa maganda.
You don't have good teeth.
Kayo,
Also,
kayo,
lovely.
kayo na po
have
magko-comment siya ng maganda sa kanila.
Also, lovely have good face, but not good teeth. But I have good teeth, but not good face. Understand?
No.
Pes. Pes.
Face.
Not this. Face is ano, the sticky one.
Face.
Eh, face. Face.
Face.
My God, Kali.
Face.
You don't know how to pronounce a word.
Yes,
And
you
you're
know.
beautiful? Oh my God.
I'm not beautiful. I have good teeth, but my face no. I say. But you have good face, beautiful face, but you don't have good teeth. I say, she no. Honey, marvel. Also lovely. She don't have good teeth. Have good face. Look. I have good teeth.
That's like also you're crazy.
Until now you're crazy. Oh, because I want to cry.
Mino bole ba? Bole.
Sabi bole. Sabi suruan.
Mino sabi bole bele, baha bele, Kali.
Yan po. Wala pong maganda sa amin. Wala pong maganda.
Today go supermarket.
Yo.
Ano